Welcome back, Wieners. What is cranking? We are back out on the scene, and guess what? It's still raining. The last video we posted for y'all, it was raining, it was gloomy. I think Texas has come down with some Seattle syndrome. Texas is on the Henny, and it just wants to rain all the time. But the good news is it makes for good fishing. If you guys didn't see the last video, you need to. We caught like literally 26 pounds plus of fish.
There we go. Oh my God, dude. John.
Get him in the net. Let's go. Let's go. Put
All of it, man.
Big bass, huge bass, all on top water. So I figured Kaylee and I would enjoy this beautiful weather because, you know, at least today you can get a tan, and if the bite's slow, you can at least get a tan.
I'm already feeling the burn.
Yeah, right. It's pretty intense out here. And as I say the word sun, it actually starts to rain harder. But anyway, like I said, today's mission is not only to catch fish, but we have one sole purpose for being on the water, and that is to catch a new pet for the pond. A giant. We're looking for like a 17 pound plus, that'd be nice. We're looking for a 17-inch plus bass with good genetics that we can put it in the big bass factory in the backyard pond. First things first, I need to get some rods. What are you laughing about?
Just dream big, baby.
Yeah, 17 pounder. Well, supposedly someone caught a 17 pounder out of here, so I mean, that'd be nice. If we caught a 17 pounder, it would go straight.
Like 2016,
yeah, like in the 80s, I think. Anyway, we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful weather, and we're gonna see if we can catch a new pet bass for the backyard pond. So stick with it, stay tuned, and let's go crank.
Oh.
Wait, did you turn this on? Oh, did it just turn on automatically? That's funny. All right, here's what you're gonna throw today. And you're gonna catch a fish. I almost said something. I almost jinxed us. You're gonna catch a fish. Do you know what this is? Come on, it's one of our lures. You don't know what it is?
The Commander.
Yeah, they all have intense names like that, don't they? You were close. It's actually the revolver.
Contender.
It's the revolver. So Kaylee's gonna start by throwing the revolver. I'm gonna throw the trusty dusty, keyword dusty, spook, and we're gonna see if we can get some fish here. We might actually jump to another lake not too far from here too. So we'll give this a shot first, and if it's good, we'll stick around. If not, then we'll bounce to maybe some other spots. What's going on there? Here.
It's like really in there.
Yeah, it is really in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you struggling?
Whoa! I almost got me.
All right.
Oh no, he's going this way.
Hey, little coot back there. I swear to God that was the same one, because there was one back there 2 days ago. And if you think you do have a big one, just crank. Did you see that? Oh my God.
Yeah.
What the f? On the pause. I just smoked my GoPro. Did you see that? Little asshole. What'd you think?
It's a bust.
It's a bust, but we got a plan B, right?
Yeah.
Still need to get you a first fish. You never caught a fish in the Lund. What's that all about? So, not only are we trying to catch a pet today, we're also trying to get Kaylee on her first Texas Lund fish. Yeah, that was a bust. It's so funny, a couple days ago that lake fished so good. Caught 26 pounds of bass, like no big deal, 7-pound kicker. And today it was mute. We did see a guy catch a 7-pounder though.
Yeah,
You should fish with that guy, honestly, because I obviously don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe you could give me some tips and tricks, because you're not really doing too good.
Okay, well, I'm gonna cut this short because right now I'm getting on by my fiance. So, yeah, do you know where the next lake's at? Because I got no service.
No.
You don't?
Never been to
Come on, Lewis and Clark, where are we going?
Well, you said 2 minutes, so 2 minutes which direction?
Yeah, it's 2 minutes.
North, south,
That way. Towards those trees.
that way.
All right, well, we'll meet you guys at the second lake. Hopefully it's a lot better than that one because that sucked. You ready? Let's go get it.
Let's get it.
Either the top water or the stick bait, whatever you're feeling. feeling the top water? Out to the stick bait. Lake number 2. How you feeling about this one?
Feeling confident.
Better than the last one?
Very confident.
You're starting off with a revolver. I'm throwing the lunker log. My good buddy Cole Burf, came out here and caught 40 fish the other day. So I've got nothing but high expectations. Let's hope we can yank them. It's basically a pond.
I like it though, because
There's
it's
one.
just really open.
We got one, baby.
You got one?
Yes, we do. Feels like a good one too. On the pause. Throwing the jerk bait. This lake I think might be better. Oh, it's not a bad one.
Oh, look at it.
I don't know if he's gonna be big enough for the pond as a pet, but it's a nice start. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Nice, first fish of the day. Just had to switch lakes up a little bit. It's so crazy. It's the jerk bait. It's such a cold water tactic, but it's a lure that I throw year round. And per example, this water's like 66 degrees and they're still eating it. Thank you, little dude. Appreciate it. See ya. Or which one?
No.
No. Yeah, I'm just gonna cast and reel this in. So.
Yeah. See how it is. Where have you got the fish on it?
Well, gee, thank you, baby. Oh, there we go. Nice one. Big one. Nice one.
What the hell? So you just reel it in?
Yeah, with that one, yeah, you just cast and reel it in.
Same as like the top water.
Literally was just tying Kaylee up a new lure with a little tiny clutch. And this guy decided to come out of nowhere and crush the log.
My pickle.
You doing what? Eating your pickle? Here, here's another pickle. A little bit bigger, right? Wow, look how green he is. Kind of looks like your pickle.
Yeah. See the resemblance? Let
Look
us
at that.
know.
Wow, which one's the bass? Which one's the pickle?
Don't know.
Don't know. Me neither. It's a mystery. Best one of the day. Not saying much, but we'll take it.
Hey.
Nice.
Better?
Hey, better than nothing. You open up that pickle and we got bit. It's a good sign.
This is just fantastic. You sure you don't want some?
Oh, I'm very positive. Thank you,
I
though.
don't get it. Why you don't like pickles?
Just don't like pickles. More for you.
More for me. Honestly, these are the best pickles I've ever had.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
I'd rather get this. Yeah, the pickle juice is phenomenal.
Are you doing a review back there, a food review?
Yeah.
Is this a mukbang?
So Mrs. Klein's pickles. She's fantastic. Work of art. True beauty.
Gas station pickles for the win.
Oh, and it's only 99 cents for a giant pickle.
You're on. You got one. Nice. Oh, it's a good one. It's a nice fish. Get him in here. Get him in here. Nice job. Here we have it. Kaylee's first bass out of the Lund. He cranked it too. Let me get him unhooked for you. Might be onto something here. Little red clutch. We're actually in the process of making smaller ones than this. Can you hold him?
Ah.
Let me get the big camera out. We got Guide Kaylee out here. Show me what's up. Probably the biggest one of the day. Nicely done. You want to throw him back? Yeah. Literally throw him back. Hey.
Sayonara.
Nice. There's definitely way more fish here. They may not be big,
But there's a lot more.
but there's a lot more. We're seeing them all over Panoptics. Kaylee caught that one on a little clutch junior, micro clutch. And I'm throwing the slow moving stuff. We're trying to keep these fish on their toes right now. No, never. Oh, look, they got one.
Where?
The guy in the
It is
front. No, it's tiny. There's a nice 7-pounder. They're yucking it up over there. They're having a grand old time. There's another one. Oh, just clobbered me. Jerk bait. I like the jerk bait. Oh, that's a good one. That one might go in the pond. This one might be a pond fish. Ooh. Ooh, we got a good one here, Kaylee. Ooh, it's a good one. This might be a pet fish. Oh yeah, this is definitely a pet fish. Look at the size of that one. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Oh.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? That's big enough for the pond, right?
Yeah.
That's a good one. We got our pet on the jerk bait. Probably like a 3-pounder. Let's go. Making Kaylee proud. All right, little Stinky. You're gonna be our new pet. Little stinky head. Are you on?
Yeah, yeah.
Real.
It's
Oh, I think you might have
No,
had
I
one.
got it.
What you got going on there? Here, bring her on over here. Nice. Are you
Can we put that in the one? You think that?
yeah, that will keep for sure. What do you want to
Put it
name
in
it?
a log wheel.
Oh, what happened? You're really going to town on this little bait. Just cleaning the lake up, right? One pile of grass at a time.
Make
Great again. Yeah. Doing your part. Shorty. There's another one. I'm on again. Cast to your left. Yeah. Cast to your left. I got another one. Can I really? Oh, it's not a good one. It's not a good one. Another good one. I think we finally found some fish here. Not giant, but it's a decent one. We'll take it.
Mine was just as big.
Yeah, it was. Nice. Little guy. So much fun throwing a rip bait around. Oh, can't beat it. Can't beat it. Another one. Another one. Another fish. Another fish, Kaylee. Oh my gosh. Catch up. Oh, another good one. You want to throw what I'm throwing? You want a little jerk bait?
Ow.
Careful. Another nice fish. We are on them. Probably about 2 pounds, give or take. A little bit bigger when we put them in the pond for sure. Ooh. What's he got in his mouth? Some grass? Get in here, you little fatty. Nice fat post-spawn bass. Thank you, little dude. Appreciate it.
Oh no. He is a little.
Probably gonna be the last fish of the day. Look how fat he is. They're eating shadleys or something down there. Unreal. All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
You have fun today?
Did so much fun.
Caught a fish. We have a fish. We are back.
Finally.
Back finally at the crib. Caught a decent amount of fish. Nothing big, nothing ridiculous, but we did get one nice one. It's gonna be a perfect fish to stock in the pond. So there's the fish. Well, you guys can't see him, but the fish is in the lund. The pond is just over there yonder behind me. What's that? I know it's high. Yeah, we've had a ton of really good rain here in Texas, and the pond has changed a lot since you guys have seen it. It's gone up probably, what, by half a foot maybe? A little more? All right. Oh no, that came open. Well, that's not good. So we got Jimmy in the box. We're gonna put him in this bag, and we're gonna carry him down to the pond. I'm very excited for this. Kaylee is filming right now. Thanks, Kaylee.
Switch this.
Oh yeah, you can switch it.
Okay.
Is that a little easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured. What's up, Jimmy? It's a nice fish, probably about 3 pounds. There is our fish. Oh shoot, gosh, he's feisty. You're gonna hurt yourself, Bubba. Check it out. Nice little 3-pounder. Now going in the Lunker Factory. What do we call it? He survived the 45-minute car ride home. This is fun. It's like the first time we've ever actually stocked the pond. We did have another YouTuber, Weston. He came through and stocked a little bit too many, but this is the first time I've personally ever done it. So I'm pretty excited about this. Look how, this is insane. So all that gravel that we put down is now completely submerged. Like, hopefully we can get like a before and after, because there wasn't even water up to here. We've probably got like 2 feet or 1.5 feet. This is so good. A lot more water for these fish, and we are getting close to full pool in the Big Bass Factory. All right, buddy, time to put you in. There he is. Nice little fish. All right, Jimmy, on your way. What do you think? Here's your new home. And he just disappears. It's pretty cool. Wow, we did it. Well, this was just here, I'll grab the camera. Thanks, babe. You just laugh, you're giggling over here. Well, I know it's not much, but we have to start somewhere, and putting at least one nice bass in there can assure that we're setting this pond up for greatness. We're really gonna turn this thing into a big bass factory. A fish like that's probably got pretty good genetics. It's not a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pounder, but a good 3-pounder is nice to have for a well-balanced ecosystem. And just look at the pond. This is really gonna start growing up. I know a lot of you guys probably had your doubts with the 2 big islands and how shallow it's been, but we still probably have another 4 or 5 feet more to go until this is completely full. And I think with the next few forecasted weeks here in Texas, it will definitely get close to that. I think the next step is probably put some bait in here, some food for these bass, and then eventually find some really big ones. Like I want to find some 6s, some 7s, some 8s to put in here to ensure this is truly a trophy pond, a trophy bass pond. But anyway, we are peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Drop a comment, let us know what we should do at the pond next, where we should fish next. The hunt for the DD still continues, but I do feel like as summer gets closer and spring starts to end, that's gonna be a little bit more challenging. I just love fishing the pre-spawn and the spawn. Post-spawn is great, but a lot of those fish start to get skinny. But anyway, I am all ears. Drop a comment, let me know what y'all wanna see, and we will make it happen. I'm peacing out, signing out. Appreciate the view, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.